Castellano, Jermaine Mitchell, Ken Finkbeiner, 40 plus a final. It's time to crown a champion. 10 minutes to go. Driver's ready. Turn marshals ready. We're going at the sound of its own. Less than 5. Go! Gary just finished a 30-minute nitro truckie. He's back to run some electric. Not having a problem. Plays it safe. Double single. Keeps it on the ground. Don't want to make a mistake too early. Ophir, he's right there. Oh, somebody making a move on Ophir. Give me that spot. I want number 2. I think that's Petrella. Ophir knows it's still really early. Oh, Ophir dashes to the inside, showing his legs. Says, I got some motor. You better watch out. Ophir, Petrella. I think that's Tim Boss right there in the yellow and black.
Gary Stud in the 1 in the HB, Ophir Camarian in the 2, but now he's taking over the 1. Tom Petrella in the 3, but he's going to dump it.
Peter and Jermaine in the yellow. Peter in the
I'm going to get spun out by that
orange.
yellow car, I believe. Kind of didn't really see that, so.
It's only 10 minutes of your time, guys. 9 down.
9 minutes left.
1 down, 9 to go. 1 down, 9 to go.
The HB, Gary Stud.
That looks like that a bobble from
The
Gary.
2 in the HB.
You might have to start IDing some of these guys, Brian. They're looking hella fast out here. Oh,
Ophir gonna dump it.
Gives it back to Gary. Brian and Ben looking at it. Boss makes a move, I think, on Petrella. Boss through 3, Petrella, Disco, Peter, Mitchell, Capobianco, Finkbeiner, Joe T, and Castellano. Coming up on 2 down. 8 to go. Race 13 of 15. 13 of 15.
Oh, Gary gonna get it wrong. That's gonna bring Ophir in closer.
8 minutes left.
Ophir pushing out wide though.
One and 2 throwing down right now. Ophir making a race out of this thing. Don't let him get away, Ophir. Gary ain't gonna give you too many mistakes. This buggy's been looking through it all day. Managed to put it in 2 finals.
Gary with a mistake. Ophir with a little wobble, but staying on his wheels.
That's leader, John. Thank you.
Ophir having a big issue. Gary got a nice lead now.
7 minutes left.
Here's Gary. There's Ophir in there too. I'm gonna go back to Gary.
Taking up some hella ground. Ophir in the field. Petrella, Voss, Mitchell, Peter, Visco, Capobianco.
Gary got a nice lead now. Here comes Ophir. There's 2 down the front straight.
Six minutes left.
Ryan, you want to blow the track off before the last nitro 30-minute final? Want to blow it off before real quick? You want to blow up the track before the last final? No? Okay, thank you, sir. Track's up seen a lot of laps today and it's holding up great. Much respect to the track crew for keeping this one together. Marshall, take your time. Make sure to get this thing on the wheels.
Back to Gary in the 1.
I got Gary, Ophir, Tom, Tim Boss, Jermaine Mitchell to the 5, making up some ground. Jermaine, Peter Margo, Bob Capobianco, Visco, Joe D, Finkbeiner, and Castellano. 440 down, guys. We're almost halfway through.
Pete's my buddy. Lets me stay in his RV. Super thankful for that.
It's left.
I think the 40 plus nitro finals up next, guys. Give me 5 minutes in between. Got a crowd, 3 more. Racedays 2022 champion.
Back to Gary in the 1.
Minutes left.
We got traffic getting into the leader.
All right, a little under 4 to go. 3:30. Gary, Ophir, Tom Petrella, Jermaine Mitchell to the 4 now. Trying to run down Tom. 1 spot left off the podium. Mitchell's throwing in everything he's got. Marshall in the back. 2 guys are coming. Oh yeah, and the boats are coming to save the day. Gary in that yellow and black. Pretty sure Mitchell's in all yellow too.
Oh, looks like Gary
Gary,
may have
Ophir,
shut
Tom,
off.
Mitchell,
Your
Visco,
leader
Barkle,
has
Tim,
having issues
Capobianco,
again.
Joe D, Castellano, and Zinkbeiner.
Damn, that sucks.
Cupcake! It came unplugged! Plug it in!
Oh, is that Gary having a problem in the back? Oh no.
That's gonna bring Ophir to the front. Here's Ophir in the 1 now.
Tom Petrella now moving into the 1. Ophir 2. Might give some room for Mitchell to hop into the 3 if Gary can't get going.
Must have had an issue.
Leader in that white, blue, and orange. Please let him through. Orange buggy, please let him through. Ophir in the 2 right behind him.
Oh, so Tom
We got a race
Petrella.
for the win right now.
Tom
Orange
Petrella in
buggy,
the
please
1.
let the pinky through. Oh, Ophir goes high in the berm.
Here's Ophir in
1:45
the
to
2
go.
spot.
We got a
I
brand
thought
new
he was
race.
in first,
Petrella and
but
Ophir. Petrella
in a
pops the
second.
triple. So does Ophir. Says, I don't think so. Race going through the center right now. 40 plus EBuggy going down. Things got shooken up.
Oh, and Ophir is gonna drive full black.
We got a
now.
race for the win in the back right now. We're gonna have a new champion. Petrella, Ophir.
No.
Now Mitchell into the 3. Here's the battle going through the front straight for the win. Tom not having a problem. Ophir not having a problem. Ophir shoots for 3. Still on his bumper. 9 down,
left.
1 to go, 1 to go. Might be 3 laps left. Probably 2. Tom keeping that door slammed shut. Ophir. Oh, rolling over into
Ophir gonna roll it over. It's a big day for Tom Petrella. Tom's running an HB.
But that might be exactly what Tom needed to bring it back home. 35 seconds, drivers.
Seconds left.
I got Tom, Ophir, Mitchell, Visco, Voss, Capobianco, Joe D, Peter, Castellano, Zinkbeiner. Yellow buggy leader coming up behind you.
Seconds left.
Thank you. Oh no, Tom went over, put a rung over it. Yellow buggy let him through. Thank you. Ophir coming right behind him. Please let second place through. I think that's Jermaine. He'll let you through, Ophir. Thank you.
Upper comb Ryan done.
Oh, Ophir caught at the line.
So Tom's going to take the win down.
Mitchell, you're done as well for third, locking up third place. Tom is on his victory lap. That last rollover in the off-camber is the difference maker. You gotta get it across the line.
I had no power to left.
So Jermaine crossing the line.
What the fuck, Vinny?
I believe in third.
Roll it on
Ran out
home.
of battery in the
A little
last
bit of
lap.
good luck karma from Tom Petrella. Ophir almost got it done. Mitchell rolling back in the back. Great job to lock up third. Bronson 4, Go 5, Disco 6, Joe D,
Tom Petrella done.
Big Fire.